introducing the brand new version of the SATAjet phaser. This is based on the SATAjet X 5500. We're all familiar with the older phaser design. This one, they added some incredible technology with the X system of nozzles where you can choose if you want an I fan or an O fan. They incorporated in all black controls. The handle fits and feels great in your hand. Incredible product, awesome look. Definitely is a classy piece to add to your spray gun collection that is going to spray base coat, spray clear coat exactly the way you would expect from SATA.